छात्र संसद का ये जो मंच पुष्पित और पल्लवित हो रहा है, बढ़ रहा है, विस्तार ले रहा है, इसके पीछे जो हमारी प्रेरणा है, जो हमारे मार्गदर्शन हैं, हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं डॉक्टर विश्वनाथ डी करार जी, मायर्स MIT के संस्थापक और प्रणेता, देश के जाने माने शिक्षाविद और यूनेस्को के चेयर होल्डर। हमें उनका सानिध्य प्राप्त है और हमेशा BCS को उनका मार्गदर्शन मिलता है। मैं सादर आमंत्रित करूंगी वो आएं और हमें संबोधित करें।
Friends, before I speak my mind on this historic occasion of the 6th Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad, quite an historic event in the history of our Mother India, I must pay my regards and respects और अभिवादन करूं उस पूज्य महात्मा गांधी जी के चरणों में, गौतम बुद्धा जी के चरणों में, और my real source of inspiration, Swami Vivekananda, which has been our guiding spirit for this institution. Equally so, friends, you know it, that this institution stands for promoting the culture of peace. भारतीय संस्कृति का दर्शन, जिसके प्रतीक मैं मानता हूँ philosophers Saint Jnaneshwara and philosophers Saint Tukaram as symbolic representatives of India to really give a message of what this Mother India stands for. It stands for the knowledge divine. And what a good fortune, friends, for us that today we have one of the most learned scholar, thinker, philosopher, a professor, and equally true, a king of Fultan, belonging to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Gharana, Ram Raje Nimbalkar. For him we must give a big clap that he is here to bless us. I am grateful, Nimbalkar Sahab, Shatrughan Sinha ji, Medha Patkar ji, and our esteemed guide and guru, one of the greatest scientists of India, who has been our chairman for this whole event, Dr. Raghunath Mashalkar sir, and many other people sitting here. Friends, I am here just to say and express my few words of gratitude and gratefulness to all of you. The spirit which has been exhibited through this 6th Parliament of the Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad, Indian Students' Parliament, a very unique concept which was promoted under the guidance of Mr. T.N. Session, Vijay Bhatkar, and many others. But the beauty is the decency, decorum, and dignity and the discipline which you have been exhibiting for the last 3 days or 4 days is something very unique. It truly fills my heart with a sense of pride and pleasure when I stand before you, friends. Being a teacher, I have been trying to observe each and every small fact, and especially the speeches delivered by the students. The representatives of you people, they speak a lot. The sense of pride and pleasure which they possess when they speak at this young age, giving the new vision to our Mother India. मैं इतना ही कहूँगा, मुझे तो सिर्फ याद आती है उन्हीं शब्दों की जिसमें स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने फिर से कहा, 1893 से नहीं, 1897 में मैं पहले भी शुरू में मैंने बोला था, फिर से दोहराऊंगा कि ये सेंचुरी, 21st century will be the century for Mother India, my Mother India. इतना मुझे गौरव होता है कि आपकी तरफ देखने के बाद ऐसे विश्वास लगता है ये होने वाला है. हमारे spiritual gurus, masters, the speakers, the various learned people who came here and had a communication with you people. It was a heart-to-heart communication. हमारे महाराष्ट्र में ये हृदयचे ते हृदय घातले ऐसी बात होती है. In the words of the Dr. Abdul Kalam, who has been always telling, he had been here on this land of MIT 4 times. And he just said, remember Professor Vishwanath Karad, networking of minds and the spirits is most important. And possibly India stands for that beautiful day. बहुत सी बातें हैं, मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, यहाँ से बहुत से स्पीकर लोगों ने, हमारे आध्यात्मिक गुरु भी यहाँ जितने बोले, सब ने कहा कि ये मन की बात है भाई, आपके मन में संकल्प करने का दिन है. मैं इतना ही कहूँगा, we have been saying that the great philosopher sent up India, I am saying great philosopher sent up India. सिर्फ संत नहीं, एक बहुत बड़े महान तत्वज्ञानी, बहुत बड़े विचारक, और who had seen and who had the vision to understand the ultimate reality. I repeat you friends, not to praise, but the beauty is this philosopher Saint Jnaneshwara, at the age of only 16, I repeat, at the age of only 16, he wrote the commentary on Gita called as the philosophy of the world, Jnaneshwari. Remember friends, these scriptures like Gita, Quran or Bible or Tripitak, Dhammapad, Guru Granth Sahib, ये सारे धर्म ग्रंथ जीवन ग्रंथ हैं, ध्यान में रखना. धर्म के नाम पे जो चलता है दुनिया में, उसको बदलाव लाना हो तो यह समझने की जरूरत है. And we have to understand the ultimate reality. Sant Jnaneshwara has said in the very first line, I am a student of engineering. I say still a student. Forget about the teacher. But let me tell you honestly, friends, knowing something about the particle physics, IT, computer, artificial intelligence, this boy at the age of 16, write the first line, Om Namo Jyadya, Veda Pratipadya, Jaya Jaya Swasamvedya Atmarupa. ध्यान में रखना, ये कोई रिलीजियस प्रेयर नहीं, कोई हिंदू की प्रेयर नहीं, किसी जाति धर्म की प्रेयर नहीं. He says, I am writing the scripture of Jnaneshwari to understand the ultimate reality, the ultimate truth. Remember friends, whether it is a scientist, the greatest scientist like Albert Einstein, who gave an equation like E equal to mc square to the whole world. Remember, this greatest scientist of the world, Einstein, says at the end of his life, I'm saying his words, not mine. Einstein says, oh God, now I realize that the entire universe is a manifestation of pure intelligence and pure consciousness. वही शब्द है, ध्यान में रखो, मैं प्रेज नहीं कर रहा. कोई ज्ञानेश्वर महाराष्ट्र के है, ब्राह्मण है, हमारे है, ये बात नहीं. But the same words of wisdom spoken by Jnaneshwara have been uttered exactly in the same form by the greatest scientist of the whole world, Albert Einstein. ये जानने की कोशिश करो. भारतीय संस्कृति, अंधश्रद्धा की संस्कृति मत बोलो. ये मैकॉले था ब्रिटिश 1835 में, जिसने भारतीय लोगों को अपनी संस्कृति भूल जाना, अपना दायित्व भूल जाना, स्वधर्म को भूल जाना और संस्कृति को भूल जाना, ऐसा सिखाया 1835 में. उसकी अनकॉल फॉर ऐसी स्थिति हो गई. मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, समझने की कोशिश करो कि आप कौन हैं, भारतीय संस्कृति क्या है, धर्म का अर्थ क्या है. धर्म का अर्थ मैंने बोला, रिलीजन इज नथिंग बट टू परफॉर्म योर ड्यूटी. अपना फर्ज क्या है, दायित्व क्या है, इसके बारे में संकल्प करो. And in MIT we have been always telling the boys and the girls that remember friends, we were here to help you to build up the winning personality of every one of you. ये winning personality क्या है भाई? You should be physically fit, the most important. You should be physically fit, mentally alert, intellectually sharp, but equally spiritually elevated. यही मकसद है, संसद है, यही भारतीय संस्कृति का संदेश है आपके लिए. I am grateful to you friends. Keep up the spirit and keep up the spirit for the Mother India. Thank you so much.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद डॉक्टर विश्वनाथ डी कराड जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.